Dosa is a fermented rice and lentil batter dish from South India, thin and crispy when cooked on a griddle. Abroad, it is often called an Indian pancake or Indian crepe for easier understanding. But in many places outside India, the batter is not fermented, so the dosa loses its sour flavor and becomes a totally different food. Idlis are soft fluffy steamed cakes made from fermented rice urad dal batter. Outside India, they are described as steamed rice cakes because of their spongy texture. However, without fermentation, they become bland and heavy instead of light and airy. Puttu, popular in Kerala, is a cylindrical steamed dish made from rice flour layered with coconut. In English, it often gets labeled as steamed rice cylinders or just rice cakes. This translation explains the form but misses the cultural pairing with kadalakari or banana, which defines its true taste. Medu vada, with its round shape and hole in the center, is sometimes called an Indian donut. The name comes from its look, but unlike sweet donuts, vada is savory and made from lentil batter. Reducing it to donut confuses its flavor profile and ignores its pairing with chutney and sambar. Jalebi is a spiral-shaped sweet dipped in sugar syrup, crisp on the outside and juicy inside. Abroad, it is often compared to an Indian funnel cake. But jalebi is thinner, more syrup-soaked, and culturally tied to festivals, unlike the carnival-only funnel cake. Pakoras are deep-fried snacks made by dipping vegetables or paneer in spiced chickpea flour batter. In English, they are usually called fritters, since that's the closest word. But most fritters in the West use wheat flour, so calling pakoras fritters misses the taste difference of gram flour and masala. Chai simply means tea in Hindi, but abroad it is often called spiced tea or chai tea latte. This double naming, chai tea, is redundant and commercialized. Paneer is a fresh, non-melting cheese made by curdling milk with lemon juice or vinegar. Internationally, it is labeled Indian cottage cheese because of the similarity in dairy processing. But paneer is firmer and can be cubed or grilled, unlike Western cottage cheese which is soft and crumbly. Halwa refers to a wide range of sweets made from semolina, lentils, or vegetables like carrots. In English, it is usually described as semolina pudding. But halwa differs greatly from Western puddings. It is richer, ghee-based, and deeply tied to religious offerings and celebrations. What's in a name? Sometimes a lot, and sometimes it changes the whole dish. While name variations are normal, it's always good to call every dish by its original name to truly honor its culture. From Vietnamese pho to Indian idli, Italian pizza, Japanese sushi, and French croissant, every dish carries its own story that deserves to be preserved.